everyone. Today we are given a line segment PQ, a circle with radius 1 and center of the circle is 5, 2. And we must determine which answer choices could be the distance between a point on the line segment PQ and a point on the circle. Now from the figure, P is equal to 1, 1 and Q is equal to 1, 3. So the line segment PQ is vertical, lies on x is equal to 1 and runs from y is equal to 1 to y is equal to 3. Now for the circle, center is 5, 2 and radius is 1. So every point on the circle is exactly 1 unit from 5, 2. Now second, which will be our strategy? To find the possible distances, we find first the minimum possible distance and second the maximum possible distance. Any answer between these two values is possible. Now find the closest point on the line segment PQ to the center 5, 2 will give the smallest distance to the circle. Now notice the center is y is equal to 2 and there is a point on the segment with y is equal to 2. So consider the point 1, 2. Okay. Now distance from 1, 2 to center 5, 2 will be what? Root over of 5 minus 1 whole square plus 2 minus 2 whole square. That is root over of 4 square, that is 4. So the closest distance from the line to the center is 4. But we want the distance to the circle, not the center. So since radius is 1, so the minimum distance to the circle is 4 minus 1, that is 3. So the minimum possible distance is 3. Okay. Now find the maximum distance. So the furthest point on segment PQ from the center will give the maximum distance. Now check the endpoints. Distance from P11 to center will be what? Root over of 5 minus 1 whole square plus 2 minus 1 whole square. That is root over of 16 plus 1, that is root 17, which is near about 4.12. Okay, so the distance to farthest point on circle is 4.12 plus 1, that is 5.12. Okay, now distance Q13 to center, distance Q13 to center will be what? Root over of 5 minus 1 whole square plus 2 minus 3 whole square, that is root over of 16 plus 1, that is root 17, that is near about 4.12. So the same result. Thus the maximum possible distance is what? Root 17 plus 1, that is near about 5.12. Okay, so the maximum possible distance approximately is 5.12. Now determine the range. Possible distances are between 3 and 5.12, right, including the values in between. So the choices are given what? 2.5, 3.0, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5.0, 5.5 and 6.0. Now compare with our range. Minimum 3 and maximum 5.12. Now check each. 2.5, too small. So this is not. 3.0, yes. 3.5, yes. 4.0, yes. 4.5, yes. 5.0, yes. 5.5, no, too large, and 6.0, too large. Okay, so the final answer is the possible distances are 3.0, 3.5, 4.0, 4.5, 5.0. That corresponds to B, C, D, E and F. Okay, so This is the final conclusion. Minimum distance is 3, maximum distance is 5.12. So any value between 3 and 5.12 is possible. So the correct choices are B, C, D, E and F. Okay, so this was the whole solution for this question. Very nice question, I must say. Very logical question. Okay, so this is the whole solution. If you have any kind of doubt, any kind of problem regarding this question, you can ask me in the comment section anytime, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, so we will see you in the next session with a new question, with a very important question. So don't miss it out, guys. So see you. Bye bye and take care.